Python provides an inbuilt function dir which is going to list out all the members of a current module or a specific module that we give as an argument. So when I do not specify any argument to this dir function, I'll be getting all the members that are present in the current module. Similarly, if I'm going to specify a particular module, then it is going to list out all the members of this particular module. Now, during execution of a module, Python interpreter is going to add some special properties automatically for the internal uses. I mean, whatever you have defined in your program or a module, apart from that, you are going to get some additional list of members which are internally used for particular purpose. Now, say for example, here we have taken a module, say we have two variables here, so and there is a one function. So when I'm trying to print this dir function, so as no arguments are mentioned here, it is going to list out all these members, that is var1, var2 as well as fun. Apart from this, it is also going to give me certain inbuilt members like annotation, some built-in catch, doc, file, loader, name. So these all are some commonly used properties or very special properties for internal usage. But towards the end, you can observe we have found something like fun, this var1, var2, which is originally present in this particular module. Now let's say we have taken one more file here, let's say mymodule.py, so where we have a variable num and there are two functions here, add and product. Now in another file, I'm just trying to import this module. I'm writing import followed by mymodule. So here I'm going to call the dir function on the specific module. So previously we have written only dir without mentioning any module name. So now we are very specifically writing the name of the module, that is my module. So as we can see here, my module has three members here. But apart from these three members, we will also be getting, like you can see, we have got this add, product, num, which are originally present in this particular module. Apart from that, the remaining special members also getting displayed by the dir function. So Python has provided some predefined modules, and one of the most important module is your math module. So this is an inbuilt module, and in this module we have several functions which are useful for certain mathematical operation. To list out some of them, square root, I mean sqrt, ceil, floor, factorial, gcd, LCM. So in general, in any other programming languages, if we want to calculate either of them, suppose for example, we want to calculate factorial of a number, we usually write a piece of code, maybe without recursion, maybe with recursion, using a loop. But here, by importing a module that is math, which is an inbuilt module, I can directly call this factorial, which is going to calculate the factorial of a number. So very likely the power, maybe the GCD, LCM. So all these are some inbuilt functions which I can use ready-made because I have a module provided with the name math. Say for example, we have written from math import asterisk. As we understand, whenever I write this format, I am directly able to call all the members of this module. So now when I'm trying to access the method, the function square root of 100, so it is going to give me the result like 10.0. Now ceil is nothing but it is basically used to find out the smallest integer that is either greater than or equal to the number. So it is going to provide us 11. Now similarly the floor 10.2 is going to give us 10. Now similarly the factorial of 5, so I'm going to get the result like 120. Then GCD of 48 and 36, which is 12. And LCM of 24, 36, which is your 72. Power function, which is nothing but x to the power y. So here x is 3, y is 2, x to the power y, 3 to the power 2, that is nothing but your 9.0. We can also apply the log function here, log 2, which is going to be your 0.69 something.